Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You know, I mean, if you don't, you ought to, because I have really fantastic videos. I got about 39,000, maybe 100 or 200 followers now, and I got 35 and a half, maybe pushing 3,600 videos now. And come right on in here close. And my hand, okay, you see the round sharpener. Do you see the knife on the table, so to speak?
No.
It's right in front of you.
No.
Okay, well, it's actually right there.
What?
Now you see it, now you don't, okay? So, a true story, and I'm going to tell it quick. This is really actually a real knife. It's really a cool knife.
Open her up.
Okay, and I'm going to hang on to this. I'm going to stick my thumbnail in there. And it's got a really good spring on it. So that is the knife, that is the sharpener, and this is the process. Just like that, that.
Oh, do say you'll get some of these knives.
I am going to work on it, yes.
Oh, we'll combo that package right together. That's great.
Okay, so here I'm going to tell it quick. Here's the true story. A young lady about 12, 13 years old, rather good looking. She's just a cute kid. She's got braces on. She's got red hair. Comes to my table with a knife just like this and says, "Can you please sharpen that for me?" So I did. I said, "Those are really cute." Okay, now I used to buy these, but they were $20. Okay, now I'm going to tell the whole story. I told her, I said, "How much did you pay for that?" And she says, "I got 3 for $10. And it's like, well, that's a lot more than I was paying for them 4 or 5 years ago. So I told her, I said, "You go back and buy all of them." No, I said, "Buy 3, go out and sell them for $10 a piece." A little bit later, she comes back to my table, just bubbling. She says, "I went back and bought all he had, and I just sold 2 of them for $25. And I said, "That's capitalism." We'll see you later. Yeah, I just